So if you're interested in essential oils, you've probably heard the phrase, just make sure it's pure. But that can sound really confusing. What does that mean and why do you need to make sure it's pure? I'm Katie from Simply Earth and I'm going to share with you how you can know your essential oils are pure. In this video, we'll talk about 3 ways to know your essential oils are pure. 1, knowing where they come from. 2, making sure they're extracted properly. And 3, making sure they're GCMS tested. The first thing you should check for is where the plant is grown. One of our goals is to visit each of the farms that our essential oils are produced on. Dustin and Jenny, our co-founders, were able to visit the vetiver farm in Haiti. At this farm, they got to see how the plant was grown, processed, and how the employees were treated, so that we know not only are essential oils excellent, the employees are treated fairly as well. So not only do we know our essential oils are pure, we know that they are ethically sourced as well. The second way to make sure your essential oils are pure is to make sure that they are extracted properly. Look for the words steam distilled or cold pressed. Steam distilled means that the plants were cooked and the oil and the steam rises up and then it goes through some cooling mechanisms and then the oil is separated from the water. The other way that essential oils are produced are through cold pressed or expression. Cold pressed means that the plant matter is smashed so that the oil comes out, and that is what makes the essential oil. This is usually done for essential oils that come from citrus vines. The third way to check for purity is to make sure that the oils have been GCMS tested. And that means they go through a machine that reads out all the natural chemicals that make up the essential oils. When that falls within a certain range, that means that essential oil is pure. It looks for extra additives and things that should not be in that essential oil so that you can know that it's actually pure and that nothing has been added to it. Each of our essential oil bottles have a code listed on them. If you search on our website with that code, you can find the GCMS test for that batch. Lastly, you may have heard that price indicates purity of essential oils, and in some cases that's true. Like with jasmine essential oil, the blooms have to be hand-picked at a certain time of day, and that makes the oil more expensive. However, most oils do not have to be expensive to be pure. Most of our essential oils are under $15. You'll see with other companies that they're double that price or more. That's because they use multi-level marketing. In other words, there's a lot of other people that oil needs to go through before it gets to you. At Simply Earth, we've cut out the middleman so we can give you high-quality essential oils at half the price. We know our farms and suppliers, we know how the oils are extracted, and we test those oils, so you know what you are buying from Simply Earth is pure. To learn more about this promise, click the link below. Thanks for watching. We're excited to be part of your journey for a toxin-free home.